King Lear, question answers, read, reflect, and write. Why do you think Cordelia behaves differently from her two sisters? Do you think she does the right thing? Give reasons to support your answer. Cordelia decides to respond to her father's question in a different manner than her two sisters because the love Cordelia has for her father was very pure, which could not be expressed in words. So she does not use flattering words. Yes, she does the right thing because she does not flatter father with the hope of getting a large portion of his kingdom. Why do you think Lear likes Cordelia's answer? Do you agree with his judgment? Give reasons for your answer. Lear, who had already fallen prey to Goneril and Regan's flattery, was disappointed with Cordelia's reply. I do not agree with his judgment because he makes a wrong decision. He is unable to understand Cordelia's simple words of love. Why does Kent rise in Cordelia's defense? The Earl of Kent rises in Cordelia's defense because he believes in the honesty with which Cordelia replies, and he realizes that she truly loves and respects her father. Kent speaks to Lear, pointing out what he is doing wrong, yet he maintains his king's dignity. What does this imply about Kent's relationship with the king? What does it imply about Kent's character? Kent feels that it is his responsibility to point out the error his king is making. He still has a lot of respect for the position of the monarch. He does not openly go against the king. This suggests that Kent is loyal to Lear. Write a brief comparison of Cordelia's character vis-a-vis Goneril and Regan's character. Base your comparison on their respective speeches. When Lear asks Goneril about her love for him, she says that it is so great that it leaves her speechless and breathless. Regan says that she completely agrees with her sister and adds that this love gives her greater joy than any other thing in the world. It is clear that they are greedy by nature. Cordelia is honest and believes that no words are enough to describe her love for her father. She chooses to say that as his daughter, it is her duty to love, obey, and honor him. And that is the true extent of her love for him. For him. She is not greedy.